Hi guys, welcome to Premshop Technical Channel. In the C language tutorial series, today we are going to see the alphabet pattern number 3. In today's pattern, I am going to discuss the pattern which you are seeing on the screen. That is, on the first line I want ABCD, on the second line EFGH, on the third line IJKL, and the next line MNOP. Nothing but if I start with the A, it should be continue till whatever the pattern we want. So how to draw this pattern in the C language we are going to see. So here I will take the three variable, that is n, I, j. First I will read the number. Why I am reading the number? Like here in this screen it is a 4 by 4 nothing but 4 rows 4 column. So here n value is 4, that's why it is coming 4 rows 4 column. If n value is 3, you will get it 3 rows 3 column. So that's why we read the n value. So I am taking enter the number. So this number, how to read this number? I will write %d, comma, address of n. For loop, I is equals to 1, I less than or equals to n, and I plus plus. Here I will write for j is equals to 1, j less than or equals to n, j plus plus. Printf, we have to print %c, comma, and we want the alphabets, so compulsory you have to take k is equals to 65. 65 is a ASCII character for capital A, 66 will be B, 67 will be C, like this. So k I am printing on the screen, and just I will write here k plus plus. Now it is very simple compared to the last one, and here I will write printf /n. From the last program this is little bit different, guys. Now here what is happening? If I wanted to exit this, I wanted to just show the code, just observe very carefully. So what are the things we are having here? I am having, what are the variables we have? We have n, I, j and k. What is n value? We are having n value is 4 as per our current logic. I value is 1, j value is 1, and k value is 65. You can change the value as per your requirement, but for now n value I am checking 4 because as per my pattern here n value is 4. If you give 3, 4, 5 it will work. I will show you all the patterns. Now see here. Next is what? Suppose initially the I value is 1 and j value is 1. So you will get it what? 1 less than or equals to 4, condition true, it will come inside. Here also 1 less than or equals to 4, condition true, it will come inside. A value will be, k value will be printed. What is k value right now? 65. Percentile C is nothing but equivalent to the 65. We are having A, so A value will be printed on the screen. Then k plus plus, k value will become 66. And then j plus plus, j value will become how much, guys? 2. So again it will check what? 2 less than or equals to n value. N value is 4. 2 less than 4, it will become true. True means what? It will come inside, it will print the k value. K value is 66, is nothing but what? B will be printed on the screen. So just observe, B is printed. Then k plus plus, it will become 67. After that what will happen? J plus plus, j value will become 3. 3 less than or equals to 4, condition true, because j value is 3, n value is 4. So 3 less than or equals to 4, condition true, it will come inside. 67 is nothing but C will be printed on the screen, because C equivalent ASCII character is C. 67 ASCII character is C, so that's why C will be printed. After that what will happen? Again this K will be incremented, K plus plus is there, that's why it will be incremented, it will become 68. And J will be incremented, it will become 4. Now 4 less than or equals to 4, because n value is 4, again condition is true, K value will be printed, that is 68 is nothing but D will be printed on the screen. Then it will become again incremented, this value will become 69 now, and j will become 5. So 5 less than or equals to 4, so this condition will become false, so it will come out. When it comes out, it will go, cursor will go to new line, because /n we are writing now. So after completion of this loop, /n is nothing but new line, it is coming. Then again I plus plus, what will happen? I value will become 2 now. So I will just remove this whole j values here. Okay. So remove this one. completely so that it looks good. That's it. I'm removing this values. Now observe again, I value plus plus, so I value will become 2. It is nothing but second row has started. I already informed. When second row has started, again j, when it come inside, every time j will be initialized to 1. So again j value will become 1. Now 1 less than or equals to 4. Again it will check the condition. Condition is true, k value will be printed. So guys, what is the k value? 69. In the previous videos, their value was changing because pattern was different, but here we are not changing. We don't want to change this value. So 69 is nothing but what? E. Because E equivalent value is 69. How to calculate, guys? 65 is A, 66 is B, 67 is C, 68 is D, and 69 is E. And it will goes on. After that, J plus plus, it will become 2. So nothing but how many times it will execute J? 4 times. Because similarly, 2 value 2 less than 4, true. It will come inside. It will be incremented before going to the J. It will become 70. And j will increment to 2, 2 less than 4, condition true, k value is 70. 70 is nothing but f. Then it will become 71. K plus plus, say it will become 71. Again j plus plus, j will become 3. Again 3 less than or equals to 4, condition true, k value is 71, nothing but g will be printed. After that k plus plus, it will become 72. Again what will happen? J plus plus, it will become 4. 4 less than or equals to 4, condition true. Again 72. 72 is nothing but what? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H will be printed. Again k plus plus, it will become 73. 73. And then this will become plus plus nothing but 5. 5 less than or equals to 5, condition false, it will come out. So nothing will be printed on the screen. Slash n is nothing but new line, it will go. Again I plus plus, I value will become what, guys? It will become 3. And as I said, when it come inside, again the j value will become 1. Again 1 less than or equals to 4, because j value is 1, again n value is 4. 1 less than or equals to 4, condition true, it will come inside, 73 will be printed. 73 is nothing but I value will be printed. Then 74, here this value will become 2 and j value will become 74, nothing but what? I, then j, k and l, nothing but 73, 74, 75, 76. Again I value will become 4 and j value will become 1. So again this is 4 times it will come. So like this your complete pattern will be printed on the I, J, K, L. Then here you will get it M, continuation, guys, N, O and P. So will we get the same thing or not? Just see the output here. I will just execute, compile and run the things. Here I will give here like pattern. I will execute here pattern 3.c. Now compile and run. I am giving the 4. So we are getting A, B, C, D, complete thing we are getting. Sir, if I give the 3, what you will get it? 3 rows and 3 columns. So observe here, 3 rows and 3 columns. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So like this, we can work on this pattern. I hope it is very clear. If still any doubts, you can mail me or message me on WhatsApp. I will definitely reply on that one. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you for watching this video, guys.